Okay, this is starting off as a listen video. Just listen. Yep, getting loud. Yeah, there's still a lot in the lilies though. This is the 25th of May, by the way. Here's a whole nest of them. Okay, one viewer said they'd like to see more of my dogs, so I'll see if I can get them. I have two. Here's one. There he is. Riv! That's Rivets. We think he's a Catahoula leopard dog. Here, just a minute. Okay, there he is. He's 6 years old. We adopted him when he was 4 months old from a shelter. Hi. Hi, guy. And Rivets is a old comic strip dog name. That's where we got that. Whoa! And there's his brother. He's a 2-year-old beagle named Flapjack. We also adopted him from a shelter last August, so he's relatively new. He was about 1.5 years when we got him. Okay, there he is. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.